Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with the final reveal of all of the cards that I made from this stack, the Simple Stories beautiful collection. I got this paper pad from Tuesday morning, 25 pieces, and it was $3.99, and the number is 1958705. In case you're looking for it, they may have it. You just call the 1-800-product hotline, type that SKU in and your zip code, and they'll let you know if they have it in your area. So anyway, these paper pads, this is the front side, and that's the B side. So as you can see, there are 6 cut aparts, and typically with these, you can only make a few things out of it. So I was thinking, what can I do? Of course, cards is a great way to make your cut aparts. So I cut them out into my little 4x6 pieces, and I said, hey, I'm going to go ahead and make some cards out of these. And I showed you the sets I made out of the other ones. I did 3 each. So now I'm going to show you the last set up here. This one says, you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. And this one says, hello, lovely. So one thing about this paper pad is pretty much all of them have sentiments on it. So I am kind of restricted as far as how I cut them because of the words that are up there. But other than that, you know, you got some flexibility, not much, but a little bit. Excuse me. So I just want to show you what I decided to do with that. I also used my Recollections cardstock, quicker and easy to do. It was 5 by 6.5. These are in the shape of the color Ivory. I use these so I can just go ahead and mat them, and if I give these away to somebody, which is what my intent is, then I would already have the envelopes made as well. And these are my punches that I use pretty much throughout to make any flowers. This is the Paper Studio, and then this is the Marvin one. So I will show you the last set of cards that I made. So with the Amazing one, I use on this one just some gold in the background and some bling that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I corner chumped it with, I think it's a stud or ticket punch. I'm sorry, ticket. We got Remember Keeper's handheld punch. And all of these cards, like the previous one, are blank on the inside, so the recipient can put whatever they want in them. So I left them to write in it, journal in it, however they want to do it, or stamp in it. So this is the next one. Very simple. Just pop this up on some matting, matted it and popped it up, and added a little bit of bling. Quick, simple card, but nice and effective. In this one, I just added a punch right here, which is actually an EK Success bubble punch. And so these little dots right here are the little left out dots that punched out of the little mini circles. And these dots are the ones that punched out of the bigger circles. I just recycled it. So made that one. I thought it was cute and simple. And then this flower again is from the big gray one right here is from the Paper Studio. And then the 2 smaller pieces are from the Marvin punch. And then I just added a piece of bling right there. Very simple but cute and effective. And then the last one, Hello Lovely. I use a We Are Memories Keeper Corner Chomper Deco, I think is what that one's called, for that right there. And also corner chomped the end of the card as well to go along with it. Just matted it on one side and matted the 4x6 on some gold, and then just put some pearls on the corners. Very simple, quick 4x6 card. This one, just some bling here. That heart is from a Project Life. The die set, the heart, and then just matted this on some gray and put a little gold in the background and black on the background. And then this one, I just cut it out and cut it down and then matted it, put some bling there, put it on some solid green, and this little piece right here, that die cut is from the Project Life die cut set as well. So very simple cards, but different designs that you can make quick and in a hurry, but also effective designs that you can give to somebody. So you can make a whole bunch of these up, repeat the same designs with the envelopes, and you have some quick gifts. So that's those 3, and I showed you the other ones that I've made as well, and I will have the link below to the other cards as well if you want to see them a little bit more in detail, as well as on my IG, Dare to Be Creative 1. You will see them up there as well. So if you have any paper pads that have 4x6s, you don't know what to do with them, turn them into cards. And you're only limited by your resources and how the cutter part is shaped. But you can, you know, alter it as well, like I just did on this one. I cut it up and altered it and added it. So, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And look at that, I got 18 cards. Right there, quick, 18 quick cards. So, with my stash that I can give away easily, quickly, if somebody needs something. So that was my intent for these cards, is to have these as gifts. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.